Ito kaya ang nagtulak based sa initial investigation doon sa bata.
Hindi pa natin alam. It's too early to tell kung ano yan. We only will present you the facts.
Pero may nabanggit po si Mayor, may kinalaman din po ba doon sa pagka-pressure niya sa kanyang grades, knowing na siya po ay honor student?
Titignan namin yun kasi nga number 1 siya sa class niya as of report. So titignan namin kung anong status ng mga grades niya. You have to understand that it is barely 26 hours since it's happened. So we will go through everything. Wala kaming stones unturned, pero titignan namin na lahat ng angle niya. Narinig rin namin yung angle na yan, but hindi namin pwede sabihin for sure kasi hindi pa namin na-interview yung teacher na may hawak ng grades niya.
May mga indications ba yung bata na gagawin niya yung ginawa niya?
As per reports, he was a grade A student. Parang top of his class. Top of his class siya. So, wala namang, so far, ang report na kanina, wala namang incidents of bullying sa kanya. We are going to check if there is kung ano ang nag-trigger ng kanyang depression. Kasi Roblox, yung chat group na yan, only encourages you. Pero deep down inside, may problema yung bata and we're trying to ascertain yan kung ano talaga siya.
Yung grade 10 student sec, was he the intended target or random victim?
We do not know. We do not know. Wala pa kami kasi hindi pa kompleto yung forensics nandun doon eh. Pero for all accounts, yung bata daw yun ay napakabait. Ano rin, honor student rin, pareho niya. Parang lahat ng biktima, wrong place at the wrong time.